A bag contains 30 discs. 10 are red and 20 are blue. One disc is taken out at random, replaced by two of the other color. Another disc is then taken out at random and replaced by two of the other color. Another disc is taken out at random. Work out the probability that all three discs taken out are red. So we have first one disc is taken out. So this is the first one. Next, another disc is taken out, and then another disc is taken out. So after the first disc is taken out, there is a replacement by two. So you have taken out one. If I say one out and two in, you again take one out and you put two in, and then you just take one out. So how do we work it out? So it's quite simple. So what I have to do is the first disc taken out, so P first disc, if I just say that, so to work out that they are red. Okay, so if I say that first red, so the first disc is red. Okay, so that would be, so one disc is taken out, so there are 10 red discs, so it will be 10 out of 30. So then what they do is, so if one is taken out and replaced by two of the other color, so the red then would be, there would be 9 red because one is taken out, remaining, or I don't know if it's right to say remaining, so I just say 9 red, and there are replaced by two of the other color, so 2 blue plus 20 blue, 2 blue plus 20 20 blue, so that would be 9 red plus, or rather I can just write that equals 9 plus 2 is 11. No, that's 20 blue, 20 blue, so that's 22 plus 9, so that is 31 total. So now we go to the step 2. So for step 2 we again have to do P second red. So if I say so P, then the second red would be, so now there are 9 red, so it's 9 out of 31 total. And then again the replacement happens. So what happens is you have 8 red and 2 of the other color, so again you would have to do 2 blue, and plus there are already 22 blues, so plus 22 blues. Okay, so then total would be 8 plus 2, 10 and 22, so that is 32, not blue, sorry, 32 total. So the final one, so P, the third one is red, would be 8. So now you've got 8 red out of 32. So now the probability that all three are red, so if I say P all three discs are red, so that would be 10 out of 30 multiplied by 9 out of 31 multiplied by 8 out of 32. And if we can simplify something, zeros, and then I can do 3 and 3 is 9 and 8 times 4 is 32. So I would get equal to numerator 3 and denominator is 31 times 4, that is 124, and that is the answer.